Google Blocky. Google Blocky is a software that runs in a web browser. It is a free-to-use software for everyone. It is a coding software that helps us to learn coding in a play-way method. We have to drag and drop blocks, like we have learned in Scratch Junior, to give instructions. Starting Google Blocky. To start Google Blocky, follow these steps. Step 1. Double-click on the web browser icon on the taskbar or the desktop. Step 2. Type www.blockly.games in the address bar of the web browser. Step 3. Press the Enter key on the keyboard. The Blockly Games web page will open in the web browser. Playing puzzle. The puzzle game teaches us how to join blocks correctly. It also helps us to choose correct options out of multiple options available in the block. This game teaches us to drag and drop the blocks, join the blocks, create stack of blocks, change instructions in some blocks, place a stack of blocks inside another block. In this game, we have to match the picture of the animal or bird with its name. Select the number of legs of that animal or bird and choose the correct traits or characters of these animals or birds from the given block options. When the puzzle option is clicked, a dialog box appears on the screen. This dialog box shows us how the final set for each animal or bird will appear. The web page that appears upon clicking the puzzle option appears similar to this. The game will start when we click on the OK button on this web page. On the game web page, follow these steps to play the game. We need to drag and drop the picture of the animal or bird to the side handle in front of its name. We need to click on the drop-down arrow in legs option and choose the correct number of legs of that animal or bird. From the blocks of traits, we need to select the 2 traits which are related to that animal or bird. Then, we need to drag and drop one trait block to the other trait block to create a stack of 2 blocks. To complete the block, click on the top block of the stack. Drag drop the stack and place the stack inside the traits section of that animal or bird. The completed set of the animal or bird will look similar to this. To complete the game, we have to complete the 4 sets like this. We can click on Check Answers button on the top right corner of the window. If we see a message that appears similar to this, it means some answers are incorrect. Then we need to click on OK button and correct the highlighted sections. If we see a message that appears similar to this, it means all our answers are incorrect. We need to click on OK button to open the home page and start the new game. Playing maze. The maze game teaches us the concept of coding. This game teaches us to join the blocks, create loops or blocks to repeat actions, change instructions in the variable blocks, place stack of blocks inside a container block. In this game, we have to move the person from the current position to the destination in a maze by moving forward or turning left or right. We have to give the instructions to move forward and turn left or right using blocks. This game has 10 levels. As we move to the higher level, the difficulty level increases. When we click on the maze option, a tip appears on the screen. This tip tells us how to move the person forward from the current position towards the destination. We can click anywhere on the screen to start the game. We need to click and drag the move forward block from the middle column to the right pane and join with the first block in that pane. The stack on blocks will now look similar to this. We can click on Run Program button to see if the stack helps the person in the maze to reach the destination or not. If the person does not reach the destination, the Run Program button will be replaced with the Reset button. In that case, we need to click on Reset button to return to the original position. We have to make necessary changes and then run the program again. When the person will reach the destination, a dialog box will appear on the screen. The dialog box asks us whether we want to start the next level or not. We can click on OK button to start the next level. The blocks used in the maze game and their use are shown in the table. Block used to move forward. Move the object in the forward direction from the direction it is facing. Turn left. Turn the object in the left direction from the direction it is facing. Turn right. Turn the object in the right direction from the direction it is facing. Repeat until do. Make the object repeat the task until the condition is fulfilled. If path to the left, do. Make the object repeat the task till there is path ahead to the left, to the right. If path ahead, do, else. Make the object do a task if the condition in do section of the block is true, otherwise do another task stated in the else section of the block if the condition in do section of the block is false. When we complete all the 10 levels of the maze game, the home page of the Google Blocky games will appear on the web browser window. Seek more. Visit to learn more games available in Google Blocky.